At Sedgehill Academy, our teachers use lots of different ways to check that we have understood what we are learning.
For example, we often use mini whiteboards in lessons. Usually the teacher will put a question on the board or just ask a question.
We're going to do the 4-figure grid reference for the church with the tower.
And we will all write an answer on our mini whiteboards.
Then the teacher says, 3, 2, 1, show me.
Show me.
And we will all raise our boards and hold them under our chins at the same time.
Our teacher can quickly see whether we have all learned or remembered something from our lesson, because we all have to join in and show our boards at the same time.
62, amazing.
It's a good way for our teacher to quickly get accurate data about the learning.
But it's also really good fun for us.